Look at the word rupture in the passage below. Underground.
Good.
Pipes.
Yeah.
Carry gas, oil, and other materials from place to place. Some say they are safer.
Good.
And
simpler
than fuel trucks, but if they are not taken care of, they can leak.
Good.
And crack.
You see, that's crack. Crack is a verb. Okay, here.
Rupture. Crack.
Okay, break something, crack. Okay, make a crack. It's a verb. Here used as a verb. So they can leak and
crack.
Crack.
If pipes
rupture
and are not repaired.
Good.
The
contents. That's the things inside the pipe. Okay, contents
can
spill
into the area ground around the pipe. What is the meaning of
rupture
as used in the passage? Burst.
Okay, burst. Yeah, burst. You see? Burst. Okay. What's that?
Crack.
Okay.
To break something.
Okay, break.
Crack.
Verb.
Burst.
To break open or into pieces in a sudden
and violent way.
The blue burst.
Okay.
Burst.
Can spell
Burst. Burst.
Okay. Look at the balloon burst. Okay, bursts. Okay. If pipe rupture and are not repaired, what is the meaning of rupture as used in the passage?
Burst or break,
shine
or sparkle, fall and or trip, fall or
trip,
fall or trip.
Trip over something. Okay, trip over. It's not like, you see, tripped. Like that, tripped.
Fall or trip around or up here.
Okay, which one?
Buzz or break.
Okay.
summit.
Yeah.
The word rupture means burst or break. Now, how might you fix a bike or if a
Tire rupture.
rupture?
Okay, bicycle tire rupture. Tire. Okay, you see, rupture. The bicycle, you see, this is the tire of the bicycle. Rupture. Okay. So how might you fix a bike if a tire
Ruptures added to training wheels push
patch?
patch the hole in the tire. Repaint the bike
Frame. Okay, bike frame. Bike frame. Yeah, that's a bike frame. Okay, this is the bike frame. Yeah, that's a frame. Okay. What's that?
Burst.
A balloon burst.
Frame.
Okay, speed.
Frame.
Okay.
There's
The underlying constructional system or structure that gives shape or strength. Frame. Okay, speed.
Frame.
One more time.
Frame.
Okay, speed.
Frame.
What's this? Okay. Bike frame. Okay, this part is the bike frame. Okay, to repaint the bike frame.
Repaint the bike frame. Wipe the tire with a
Damp is wet. Okay. Okay.
How might you fix a bike if you had tire
Ruptures. Okay, how do you do that?
This
Okay, good. Patch the hole. Yeah.
summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Okay.
Which sentence uses rupture correctly?
Maya. I don't know how to say it. So many names.
pronouncenames.com.
Maya, Maya, Maya,
Okay, Maya.
Watched with
Rupture.
attention.
Good.
attach as the
Hedgehog. Okay. Hedgehog. Yeah, that's a hedgehog. That's a
frame,
frame,
okay,
frame,
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 back frame. Okay. Hedgehog.
hedgehog,
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 Okay, spell.
Hedgehog, hedgehog,
Okay, that's hedgehog. Hedgehog. Maya watched with rapt attention as the
hedgehog sniffed and had the
hedgehogs.
sharp spines.
Okay, spines means these, those things. Okay, spines. Spines.
Spines might rupture the air
Mattress. Okay, so we could make a mattress. That's called a mattress. Okay, this is a mattress. Okay. This is an air mattress. So air mattress. Yeah, okay, you see, they feel the air in it. Okay, feel the air in it. So this says, okay, the hedgehog sharp spines might rupture the air mattress. Maybe remember mattress. What's that?
Hedgehog,
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 hedgehog.
Mattress.
Mattress,
Mattress.
mattress,
Mattress.
mattress.
Can spell
MATRESS, mattress.
one more time.
MATTRESS, mattress.
Okay, sleep on mattress. Okay, something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. A mattress.
Wild hedge when wild hedgehogs can be found in many
Rupture.
plants parts of the world. The hedgehog
Curd. Okay. They make a curd up. Curd up. No. That's not curd up. Curd work like this. Curd up. Okay. Hedgehog curd up. Hedgehog. Okay. Curd up like a ball. You see? Curd up. Okay. What's that?
mattress,
Mattress. Mattress. Mattress.
mattress.
Curl.
Curl,
Curl. Curl. Curl.
Okay. Curl was here.
Curl.
You stop here.